Hi guys, welcome to my new tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show how to make flash USB with Cinema 4D. Let's get started. First step, go to click this icon for see all preview scenes and go to options, select configure and select this front, go to back and select image, choose this USB flash drive and import. Okay, then go to perspective and click this icon. Okay, so in this time go to shapes and select this sphere. Okay, go to change C lines. Okay, and let's click this icon and select this icon. Okay, go to here, select rental selection and select this objects and delete and select this area. Okay, again delete and this and this. Okay, nice. Then click this icon and select move tool, move to app. Okay, then select edge tool and select this edge, go to select and loop selection. Okay, again go to click move tool and hold control, move to down. Okay, then click this icon and Control A, select all this object and click selection tool, change scale like this. Okay, nice. Then again click this icon and go to here, select subdivision surface and select this sphere. Let's move to inside this subdivision surface for smooth object. Okay, nice. Then let's unhide this subdivision and select this sphere. Go to again select this edge and Control A again. In this area, right mouse, extrude and left mouse, change extrude. Okay, in this time select this icon and let's click move tool and select this line like this. For select ring lines, go to again select and loop selection and select this all ring lines. Okay, and again select move tool, hold control, move to up. Okay, nice. Okay, so in this time right mouse and select loop path cut, make here new line. Okay, and click this icon and move tool. Let's enable this subdivision surface, change C shading. Okay, select this object, again click here, select sphere and select this icon, Control A, again select all objects and scale tool, change scale. Okay, then select again this icon and right mouse, select loop path cut and make cut here. Okay, select these points and go to selection, radial selection, and select these points. All these points, okay, and delete. Then select this icon and click move tool, select this line, go to select and loop selection, okay, and click scale tool, hold control, change scale, okay, and move tool, move to up, again selection tool, hold control, change scale, okay, again move tool, move to up, and again scale, hold control and scale object. Okay, 3, nice. Click selection tool and enable subdivision surface. Nice. So again click this icon, select this sphere and go to display, select shading lines, select this icon again, select this, go to again select loop selection, okay, select all these lines and move tool, go to select scale tool, hold control and scale objects back. Let's see. Nice. And click this icon and this move tool. Let's enable subdivision. Okay, nice. Or flash driver inside is smooth. Go to display and select shading. Nice. Very smooth object. Okay, click here, back to front, and go to here, select cylinder, okay, select rotation tool, hold shift and change rotation 90, click apply and change scale like this, and click this icon, select move tool and back to perspective, okay, select scale tool and change scale, let's see. Okay, let's change scale again. Okay. Then go to here, select subdivision surface and select this cylinder. Move to inside subdivision surface 1. Okay. Select this cylinder again. Let's click this subdivision and select cylinder. Go to select edge and right mouse, loop path cut, make loops, and here, okay, let's enable. Okay, nice. Again select this subdivision and click this icon for move anchor point center. Okay. And again click this icon. Let's see. So in this time select this cylinder again, select this edge and right mouse, loop path cut, make one cut here. Okay. And here and here. Nice. Let's see size. Okay. Select this cylinder. Again change scale. Change scale like this. And move to back. Okay, not bad. Select this cylinder. Change a little scale. Again. Okay, not bad. Nice. So in this time go to again objects and select this cube. Change scale. And let's move the object left and this here and select this cube. Change scale. And change here scale. Okay, not bad. Select this object and close flash USB. Okay, not bad. So in this time let's go to click this icon in this cube and select this edge, right mouse and loop path cut, make one cut here, here and here, here and here. Okay, and here like this. And here and here. Okay, nice. Then select this icon and hold shift select here. And here. And delete. Okay. Then select this edge tool and select these lines, hold shift and this. Okay, and hold control, move to back. Okay, and select scale tool, hold control, scale objects. Nice. Again click move tool and select these lines, hold shift, select these lines and this, then hold control, move to back and scale, hold control, scale objects. Nice. Change display ground shading and click this icon. Okay, nice. Then select this object again, select this icon, select these polygons, right mouse, extrude inner, change extrude inner like this, and right mouse, extrude, move to back. Okay, nice. So let's select this and move to left for close object. Okay, select scale tool and change scale, and let's see. Nice. Select this object again and select scale, change scale. Okay, not bad. Cool. We can animate this object. Okay. So thank you for watching my tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video, and please follow me on Instagram. Good luck.